Hi YouTube, have you ever problem with Service Now inspection in your Volkswagen Touareg? If you said yes, today I will teach you how we can reset that inspection. I'm talking about Volkswagen Touareg 7L version. My car is 2006 3.0 liter diesel. So now we're gonna go to my car and reset that inspection. Now show you the Service Now inspection. Wait a second. Now I will show you how you can reset Service Now inspection. First of all, you have to push 0.0. All right. And next, start the engine. We got service reset. And next, we have to push over here. Okay, this is the scroll and we push. Okay, so that's it. Now we have to check the reset inspection and start the engine. We will check. Okay, everything is fine. I'm back. Thanks for watching my VDC channel. I really hope that I help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe you have some problem with your Volkswagen Touareg 7L version. It's year 2002 to 2010. Please write a comment and I will try to help you.